Hey friends, let's do Bad Case of Loving You guitar lesson by Robert Palmer. So let's make a start. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just playing the open E, and then we're playing an E power chord, and we're doing it 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop, another 2, 2, then we're doing a palm mute, and then an open E, and then we're just playing 7 on the A, D, G string there. So slowly. Then just go back to the E again 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop, E again. Then we've got this little run. E, 7, A, 5, 7, D, 5. Then go back to A, 7, pull off the 5, E, 7, 3, O. Then we're repeating, go back to the E again 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 2. Palm mute. And then the E. And then back to the 7s. Then put the open E. Another 4 times on the E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Another 1. And then I'll run again. 7, 5, 7, 5. 7. Pull off the 5. 7, 3, O. And that's our intro there. Let me do it slowly. And that's our intro. Then we have our verse. Let me play that for you. So it's similar to an intro. We're going to be playing the E power chord again 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop, another 2, palm mute, off, and then our 7s. And then play the E chord again another 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Play it again, and then do 3 palm mutes. 1, 2, 3, off again. And then an E string, 3, open. Go to an A chord, so a bar chord, and we're just going to go down, 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 up. And then move up to a B and do the same. Down, 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 up. Play the open E. And our E power chord 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. 1, 2, mute, off. And then 7. Play the open E again. And then we're repeating that first one 4 times on the E. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Another 2. Palm mute, off. Play the 7s. Now this next one we're going to play the E power chord but with the open E string, and that's like the open E string there. Then another 4 more times on the E chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop, another 2, palm mute, off, and our 7s. Go back to the A and just do our down, 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 up, our B, down, 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 up, open E, and finish the same. E power chord 4 times. 3, 4, stop, 1, 2, mute, off, and our 7s there. That's our verse. Let me do that slowly for you. Then after we have that, we have the chorus. Let me play that for you. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say your day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that really helps me out. So let's get back into it. time we're going to do a B over E, so just play the 7th fret on the E, 7 on the A, and then our normal 9 on D and G. Play that once and stop, then play it again and slide down. Then just play the A power chord. Then we're going to play open A string 1st fret, 2nd fret, and go to an E power chord. Just play the E and the B, high E and B, and then just play a B power chord. Hold that B there, and that's our chorus. Then we have this little post-chorus, and it's similar to the intro. We just play it through once. Let me play that for you. So open E, our E power chord 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Palm mute, and then off, and our 7s. Open E again. E power chord 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, once. And then our little run like before, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, pull off to 5, 7, 3, open. Then we have this little solo as well, let's have a look at that. So we're just 15 on the B string, bend again, then do a bend and release, pull off to 12, and then bend again on 15. And then the harmony, we're doing exactly the same thing, but on the 10th fret on the B string. And this time we're going to pull off the 8, and then do a bend again on the 10. So 10, 10, 10, pull off the 8 and 10. And that's a harmony, and that's that little solo there. From there we go back to the verse, and then we have our next chorus. And this is nearly exactly the same, so let me quickly play that for you. So it's exactly the same. All we're leaving out is that upstroke on the E and the B. We still have the E over B there, and then play it again, slow it down. Our A, our run, O, 1, 2 to E, and then to B. And that's our chorus there. So the next little part's the same as our intro. The only difference here is the last time when we do our run, just leave out that run and just hold up until our solo rhythm. And let's have a quick look at the little solo in there as well. So guitar 1's exactly the same as what we just did, the solo on the 15, but just do it 2 times. Do that through 2 times. Guitar 2's slightly different. We still have the 10 the same. Pull off the 8, bend on 10, so that's the same. The next time, do the bend on 10, bend it again, 10, pull off the 8, and then just play 9 there. So that's the only difference, that second harmony. And then we have our solo, and we'll do that at the end. Let's do the solo rhythm first. So we're just starting on the A power chord again, hold for 1 bar plus 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and then do it 2 more times. Come up to a B power chord, hold for a count of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then go down, up, down, and then play it again. Go back 1 fret and back to the A. So we're going B, B flat, A, hold that. Then we have this little run here. Open A string, 4th fret A string, then go to the D, 2, 4, do a bend and release, back to 2, A, 4, and then play the E power chord. So E power chord, and then we have this next run, E string, O, 4, A, 2, 5, 4, 2, back to 4 on the E, so A power chord for 4, C sharp, so 4, 6 and 6, back to B, hold this for 2 bars there, and then just do a build up of 8th notes, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and that's that's our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. Then we have the next little part there. Let me play that for you. So it's similar again. Open E string, 4 on the E, 1, 2, 3, 4, stop, 2 more, palm mute, off, and then the 7s to the open E string, 4 times on the E power chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just stop there. And the solo's the same with the harmony, our 15. I'll do it once and the harmony's the same. Then from there we go back to the verse, and that's exactly the same as our previous verse. And then we have this last chorus. Let me play that for you. So again, just the E power chord, stop, E, slide down, our A, our little run on the A string, O, 1, 2, to E, to B. Now this time go back to E. Now we're going to play second fret on the A, second D, back to A, D, A, D, all on the second fret. So now we're doing the same little run but on the D string. Open, first fret, second fret, and finish on E. So that last part. And they're all the rhythm parts. Now let's tackle the solo. So we're starting with 12 on the B, then go to 12 on the E, and then do a bend, release on 12 on the E, pull off the 10, back to 12B, 12 on the G. Then B, 10, palm mute to 12 on the B, back to 10, then we're bending 12 on the B, play E, 12, release the 12 on the B, pull off the 10, and then just play 12, 10. Then you're going to slide up to 12 on the B, E, 10, 11, 12, 12 bend, and then 9, 10, and then 12 on the B, and then to finish it, 12 again, 10, 11 on the G, and then B, 12, 11, 10. And that's our solo there. Then we have the last solo. So E string 19, bend 3 times. Then just play 19, 17. Go to the B string 20, do a bend. B string 17, 17, and then finish with a bend on 20 on the B. And that's our little solo there. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Bad Case of Loving You Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you love your 80s rock, glam and metal songs, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more. And I'll see you soon.